I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's day 3 of Frans Space Cream Advent Calendar. We're counting down. Who's gonna go get some ice cream on National Ice Cream Day? This is the one that I don't know, I had poked or something when I was getting it out of the packaging. And man, these are pretty difficult to open. If you read the title, you naughty boy. All right, because I'm putting in there like day 1, 2, 3, and then whatever the name of the shave soap set is. This one is Mouseketeer Bar. I do remember seeing this when I was a kid. I don't really remember what it smelled like. What's it smell like? Well, it reminds me of the chocolate that's on the outside of a dilly bar. I believe there's probably inside vanilla and chocolate flavoring. Here's the matching splash. I got to get some shave stuff together and whip up a lather with this, and I'll be back. Please watch the intro and enjoy. All right, I've already got that whipped up in the old Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using the Cyclotrode shave brush. There's what the lather looks like. 1/4 teaspoon, 14 mils of water. That is my perfect ratio for the CK6 formula soap. Very nice and creamy. And before I get too far into the video, I'll put a little picture right here of everything that I used, because I might forget towards the end. So now I've already spoiled it because I'm using this quantum razor with a Gillette silver blue blade in there. No, it's not, I just misspoke. Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade in there. And I have the Alpha. Uh-oh, I got a warning on my phone. Low battery. Anyway, the Alpha plate. So let's go ahead and get warmed up. Here I've got a bowl full of warm water. I'm going to warm up the razor and get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Very smooth razor, very mild razor. For me, I'm always like, is this thing cutting? That's how smooth it is. This one I feel like I've got to have a little bit different angle. But that's something you can adjust on the fly. It's a very nice scent. This scent, it's actually making me hungry. Daddy needs a treat. I might have to go to Dairy Queen for lunch today. This razor is nice and hefty, and the knurling on it is very, very grippy. If you happen to drop this thing, you weren't holding it. I'll say that. In my mind, I'm starting to wonder, how is my phone already in the low zone? Hopefully I can continue the video. Might have to speed things up. Pass number 2 across the grain. Halfway through the calendar, and so far all the scents I have enjoyed. My rinsing bowl is getting very full of the fluffy lather. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Nice little shave there, quick. No weepers, gushers, bleeders. I'm gonna shake up the splash here. I should mention that in this soap, whenever I scooped it, once you scoop down past the first little bit, it does turn into the normal kind of white-ish color soap. And I believe that's the vanilla. You know how it oxidizes the soap and turns it kind of that chocolatey color. Oh yeah, definitely. Almost kind of reminds me a little bit too of the one of my favorite ice cream trucks. The good old ice cream sandwich. Probably because it has that chocolate and vanilla to it as well. All right, well, that's going to be the shave for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for sticking with me and watching the video.